Thank you for tuning in for the review of the best products available today. These models were chosen from a large variety of products based on their overall performance and review of thousands of consumers that have purchased them through countless hours of research, side-by-side comparisons. It's believed that the following products are indeed the best on the market today. Please take a moment to follow the product links listed below to each product for more information. Sit back and relax while you watch the best highly recommended products for this year.
If you're in the market for two-way radios, take a look at the industry leader in wireless communications. The Midland GXT 1050 two-way radios are perfect for the everyday user. If you're in the outdoors, Midland's two-way radios are there to suit your needs. Midland's industry-leading two-way radios combine NOAA weather alerts with weather scan, an emergency SOS siren, 15 call alerts, and dynamic HD audio. If you're a nature enthusiast and want to be undetected in the woods, the GXT 1050 has silent operation, whisper mode, along with 9 levels of EVOX hands-free operation, and comes in a mossy oak breakup infinity camouflage. Midland's GXT 1050 two-way radios are lightweight, durable, and JIS4 waterproof, allowing you to be out in any weather conditions. The GXT 1050 has up to a 36-mile communication range, with 50 channels of crisp and clear communication to choose from, along with 142 privacy codes to help you block other conversations. Get out faster and stay out longer with Midland's two-way radios. The GXT 1050 Value Pack comes with 2 radios, a pair of headsets, AC-DC adapter, desktop charger, and 2 batteries. Midland's GXT 1050 two-way radios also come with an unbeatable 3-year warranty. For better safety and communication in the outdoors, go with a proven leader, Midland.